So we're required to solve these without calculators, okay? This is 4 raised by 11 minus 2. There are many ways you can do this, but I'll show you an easy method that I coined out myself on doing this, okay? Now the first thing you can do here is to say that we can bring out 4 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 8. Okay, let's focus on this one for now, then after minus the 2. So we have 4 raised by 11, right? Now 4 raised to the power 8 is equal to 4 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 4 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 4 raised to the power 2. Okay, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, and then this is multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 3. Alright, so if you add this to 3, you get 11. Okay, so we've not changed anything here. Now 4 raised to the power 2 is 16 multiplied by this is 16 multiplied by this another 16 multiplied by this another 16 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 3. Okay, now 16 times 16 is 256 multiplied by 256 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 3. Okay, we're shortening it now. Now, furthermore, we can go ahead and open this up so that this becomes 4 raised to 4 times 4 squared multiplied by 256 times 256. Okay, now 4 squared is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. Multiplied by 256 multiplied by 256. Okay, now let's multiply 256 times 256, and whatever we get multiplied by 64 to get our final answer. So 256 multiplied by 256. Okay, so 256 multiplied by 256, we have 6 times 6 as 36. Put 3 here. 6 times 5 is 30 times 3 is plus 3 is 33. You put 3 here. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3 is 15. 5 times 6 is 30. 0. Put 3 here. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 3 is 28. You put 2 here. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. 256 times 2 is 512. So we write 512. And then we add. We have 6 coming down, so we put 6 here. 3 plus 0 is 3. 5 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 15. Put 1 over here. 2 plus 3 is 5. And lastly, 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, so this is what we have for 256 times 256. Now we'll multiply this by 64 to get our final result for this question. So let's do that now. Alright, now moving on from here, we have that 4 times 6 is 24, so we have 4 carry 2. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 is 14, we have 4 carry 1. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 1 is 21, we have 1 carry 2. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2 is 20, we have 2 carry 2. 4 times 6 is 24 plus 2 is 26. 6 times 6 is 36, we have 6 carry 3. 6 times 3 is 18, we have plus 3, that's 21, we have 1 carry over 2. 6 times 5 is 30 plus 2 is 30, so we have 2 carry 3. We have 6 times 5 is 30 plus 3 is 33, we have 3 carry 3 over, so we have 6 times 6 is 36 plus 3 is 39, we have 39 here. Okay, so we add these two together, we have 4, we have 0, we have 3, we have 4, we have 9, we have 1, we have 4. Okay, now this is what we have, and remember that we said this minus 2, so this minus 2 will give us, we have 419, 430 and 2. Okay, so this is 4,194,302. That's what we get when we say 4 raised by 11 minus 2. This is the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.